How do we navigate the future of agriculture, and what role will technology play in it? These are questions that may not have straightforward answers, but one thing is clear. The rise of agricultural drones is reshaping the farming landscape. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting, the global agricultural drone market is predicted to soar up to a staggering $14 billion by the turn of 2030, with an impressive compound annual growth rate of 20% from 2024 to 2030. It is clear that these high-tech devices are not just a fleeting trend, but a robust industry on the rise. The reasons for this rapid growth are manifold, but one of the most compelling is the increasing global population. This growth is putting immense pressure on our limited arable land. As a result, precision agriculture practices are becoming more important than ever. They are the key to maximizing the productivity of the land we do have. Enter agricultural drones. These marvels of modern technology enable farmers to apply fertilizers, pesticides, and other resources with pinpoint accuracy. This precision not only reduces waste, but also significantly boosts overall efficiency. Small wonder then that they are at the forefront of precision agriculture. Let's take a geographical perspective for a moment. North America currently holds the lion's share of the agricultural drone market. The presence of major agricultural tech companies in the region, constantly innovating and developing advanced agricultural drones, is a significant factor. Equipped with the latest spray and mapping technology, these drones are set to hold their dominance in the market for years to come. Of course, the agricultural drone market is not a monopoly. Several players are making their mark, including Shenzhen DJI Technology, Parrot, Hylio, AeroVironment, Trimble, Microdrones, Terra Drone Corporation, Agribotics, and American Robotics. These companies are consistently launching diverse products to stay competitive and relevant in the global market. In summary, the agricultural drone market is a burgeoning industry, poised to play a crucial role in the future of agriculture. With a predicted market size of $14 billion by 2030 and a CAGR of 20% from 2024 to 2030, it's an industry that demands our attention. The rise of precision agriculture, the dominance of North America in the market, and the presence of key players all point to a bright future for agricultural drones. So, as we ponder the future of agriculture and the role of technology in it, let's keep an eye on the sky. The hum of drones might just be the sound of a revolution. And as always, stay tuned for further updates.